downtake pipes from the roof has to be interconnected and lead till the filter unit and has to be connected to the inlet of the rainy filter. The rainwater, along with dirt and debris, flows by gravity through the pipeline, enters into the filter, starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction at the periphery of the upper housing so as to flow into the SS304 filter element placed in the lower housing in angular motion at specific velocity, which creates cohesive force at low intensity and centrifugal force during high intensity of rainfall, which aids the filter element to flush out automatically the dirt and debris through the drain outlet and simultaneously divert clean water into the sump or recharging well through the clean water outlet.